Alright, so today we're going to refurbish the headlights. So you're going to clean them off real quick, get any grit off, and then tape off the area around your the painted surfaces. There you go, the recorded or required zip. Failed knife flick. Now you want to make sure and use copious amounts of water when you do this, because when you're using, especially the first disc, the 800 grit and the 1500 grit, you're going to have to wet sand. So you're going to use lots and lots of water. I got this Mother's kit. You can also hand sand it if you just want to go buy some 800 grit and 1500 grit sandpaper and 3200 grit sandpaper, and I don't know wherever you would get a polish like that from. So if you don't have the drill, you can just do it by hand. But it was only 25 bucks and I already had the drill, so I just went at it. You're gonna go at it till you get a even haze all the way across. At this point it's gonna look cloudy. It might look better depending on how bad your lights are. Now you're gonna go to the 1500 grit sandpaper and you're going to do the exact same thing. It should look a little better if you're just going to keep adding water and keep sanding away. And you're going to do this with the low speed on the drill. Now you want to make sure and dry it all off. When you go to the 3200 grit disc, you want it to be dry sanded. You don't want to wet sand. You do the same thing again, you just go over everything. You'll notice it already looks better. When you're done with the dry sand, you're going to go ahead and wipe everything down. I put a silver dollar size shmoo of junk on the sponge disc. Spread it about slowly at first because it just blends stuff everywhere, and then just really lay into it, kind of. Now the whole time I've just barely I let the weight of the drill do the pressing. I didn't do much pressing on the headlight itself. Medium to light pressure to get this done. Any more than that, you can scratch it and leave marks. There you go, polish it out. You're done. That's what it looks like now. That's what it looked like before. It came out pretty nice. It's worth the effort.